This is a brief video introduction into the INSERTA ICC check valve carrier thread-in type. These allow INSERTA ICS or IGS Slip-In check valves to be used in a threaded cavity. The carrier is externally threaded and has an internal cavity that receives a corresponding slip-in check valve element. The carrier is provided with a broached hex for installation and tightening. The slip-in valve element may be installed with free flow in either direction relative to the carrier, depending on the functional requirements of the application. This gives flexibility compared to the INSERTA ICT or IGT thread-in check valves, whose free flow orientation is fixed. The slip-in check valve with its O-rings is installed within the cavity in the check carrier. Often it is easier to install the first O-ring alone and then the check valve. A light seal-compatible grease may be used on the inlet and outlet O-rings to hold them and the valve in position within the carrier during installation. This is particularly useful on smaller sizes. Here is an example of an installed valve without grease. The seals and the valve may be easily dislodged during installation. Compare this with an assembly whose O-rings have received a small amount of grease. Installation is straightforward. Here I have a sample threaded cavity that terminates in an SAE J-1926 O-ring port. An ICC carrier containing a slip-in check valve will be threaded to the bottom of this cavity. To install, the carrier assembly, complete with the slip-in valve, is threaded into the cavity. Once bottomed, a torque wrench should be used to ensure that adequate installation torque is applied. Thread adhesive may also be used if one is careful not to apply the adhesive onto the check valve element. There is no theoretical limit as to how deep a cavity may be machined. This gives a design advantage over typical thread-in cartridge check valves. The INSERTA check valve carriers thread-in type are available for slip-in check valve nominal sizes 2 to 24 inclusive, for nominal flows up to 110 gallons per minute. In summary, the INSERTA ICC check valve carrier allows INSERTA ICS check valves to be used in a threaded cavity with free flow in either direction and as deep into a manifold as is required. Product and cavity information is available on our website at www.inserta.com. Thank you for considering INSERTA products, and thank you for watching.